Having trouble with Windows Server not accepting your new product key on Windows 11 or 10? In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes to get it sorted and running smoothly. Using the keys Win plus R, open the Run utility. Enter the command ms-settings, .about, and press the Enter key. In the opening window, scroll down to the Windows specification section and check the edition. Open the Run dialog. Type CMD and hold the keys Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. In the User Access Confirmation dialog that opens, click on Yes. In the command prompt window that opens, enter the below commands one after the other. Make sure to hit Enter after every command. Note: replace the X's with your unique 25-character product activation code. Also, if you get an error pop-up at this point, it's completely fine. Now, depending on your version, enter the below command. For Standard Edition, enter the below command and hit Enter. Note: replace the X's with your unique 25-character product activation code. For Data Center Edition, enter the below command and hit Enter. Finally, enter the below command once again to activate the license key slmgr/ATO. You should be able to see a pop-up saying Product Activated Successfully. If you are still seeing the error, then try the next fix. Open the Run terminal. One can use the shortcut Windows and R to do the same. Type CMD and hold the keys Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open the command prompt in admin mode. If you see any UAC popping up asking for permission, click on Yes. Type the below command and hit Enter. sfc/scanO once. The scan finishes, restart the system, and check if the issue resolves. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.